Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Motor Beach. As you can get from the thumbnail, this is going to be Mahindra XUV 500. Sorry, so it's not a 300, it's a 500 vehicle. So it's a older generation, second generation vehicle, 2014 model. So it's a manual transmission. So let's go to test drive and see the performance. So guys, this is a manual transmission and now I am in the first gear. (2000 RPM wheel spin at the rear, 3000 RPM 45 speed, and now I'm in the third gear. So view is very nice in this vehicle and it's obviously a on-wheel vehicle. So very nice diesel engine. So it's a diesel engine. Brakes are also too good. And gear shifting is too fast driving. It's a 2200cc engine. Obviously it will be big engine and SUV engine. So it's a body on frame car. So it will be very difficult in turning. So the turning radius is 5.2 meters of this vehicle. So when launching the car in the first gear, it's very nice and very punchy performance. And whichever gear you are in, third or fourth, easily it will get of pickup from that gear. And it's a 2200cc, as if I said, and it get of 152 bhp of power at 3750 rpm and 360 newton meters of torque at 1750 rpm. So as Mahindra said, Mahindra engine's sound is somewhat louder side. So but in this engine, in this cabin, there is no sounds. Engine sound very refined engine, and cabin sound is very silent. So see, whenever I am giving a throttle, it's completely whichever gear you are, easily it is raving and giving a full power and 360 newton meters of torque. It's massive enough of this vehicle, and it's a SUV body on frame. So turning radius, as if I said, of 5.2 meters, diesel engine, and the fuel capacity of this vehicle is 70 liters. 70 liters is massive enough. Easily you can drive around 800 kilometers, and the mileage of the vehicle is 15 kilometers per liter. Brakes are too good. Disc brakes on offer. And one of the minus point in this vehicle is you can't shift gears down at a time. So slowly you should be down to the gears, and gearbox is quite good. The view in the driver position is very nice. And overall vehicle, as we know, Mahindra XUV 500 is successful, and it's older generation vehicle but very punchy performance. Tires are 17 inches and nice performance vehicle, I can say. Diesel engine. So in automatic you get 7-speed gearbox, and in manual transmission also you get 7-speed gearbox. And the ratio of comparison ratio is 16:5:1 in this vehicle. So very nice of that. It's 2.2 liter diesel engine. Horn is loud. Brakes are too good, too sharp. So suspension is also very nice on offer. This car suspension will work on whenever they are full of passengers in this vehicle. Then you should be a test of this vehicle, so that you know the suspension capacity. And when you are crossing at 2000 rpm, easily the gear indication is coming in the instrument cluster. See, it is in 1500 rpm only, and it is showing that to upshift of gear of very punchy performance. Suspension is very nice, yeah. That is a Safari and this is XUV. So overall nice performance. Steering feedback is very nice. It's a body on frame car, as we know. So it's difficult in metropolitan cities, obviously in cities, so but in long drives and long journeys it is very comfortable, and seats cushion is also very nice. I like the gearbox, very smooth shift of manual transmission in this vehicle. Brakes are too good, and it's a body on frame, and the frame of the car is very, the width of the car is very high, I can say, in the XUV platforms, and it's a successful vehicle. Obviously Mahindra vehicle is successful in north side of Indians, so in south some lesser side. So overall good performance, punchy performance. It's a front wheel drive vehicle and 4-cylinder engine this engine is, and 4 valve per cylinder, 4 valves per each cylinder. 4-cylinder engine is massive enough for 2200 cc. And once again, let's launch the wheels of this car. So guys, now I am in the first gear, 2000 rpm. The wheel spin is on the front side, but when you're shifting the gears from first to second gear, it is somehow lagging and giving some jerks. So it's not a big matter, it's a minor problem of, obviously it's a big diesel engine and SUV, so it's not a big issue. And wheel spin is very nice, and it's a front wheel drive, obviously it's giving a wheel spin. So this is a test drive video of XUV 500, and it's a W6 variant, very nice diesel variant, manual transmission. So if you still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, press the bell icon, follow me on Instagram, link in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.